Okay, today I'm going to try replacing the rear camera to the 2009 Prius, and to do that you have to remove this panel over here, and you do that from the inside. So the first thing is you have to remove this cover panel. These are all held on with the retainers here, and preferably have someone help you while you're pulling out that panel, because as you pull down on the panel, the door will close. So have someone, push up while you're pulling down. You can put a screwdriver, flathead in here to pry it open slightly, then you can slip your finger in with both hands and pull down, straight down on the panel. And you can do that here, 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 and on the other side as well. So that's not difficult. Okay, so after you pull out the panel, you have to unscrew 4 nuts. These are 10 millimeter, and you see the screw or the stud is very long, so you need a deep socket. I don't have one, so this one is accessible, but this one is more like a pain in the neck. This is the second one, third one, and then we're over here. So this is not a deep socket. So what I did was the extension here, just push it partially in. So that is enough to give me room for the socket to grip the nut here. So if you don't have a deep socket, you can do that. So try not to drop the nut into the crevices here. Okay, got the nut out. Out the camera before I did all this. So all you have to do is unplug it, plug the new one in. So the old camera can just be snapped out like that. Very easy. And then you unclip this from the inside, and there's a tab. Depress that to remove it. Go through, snap it in, and then tighten down the 2 screws here and connect the wiring harness inside. Yep, like that. Now's the time to put this plastic piece back in. Line up the studs with the hole. Now you just put the cover panel back, and you have all the retainers, right? So you just bang it back in. I did most of it already. There's one here I didn't do, maybe one here.